This is off of that other slime video. Sorry, didn't have enough time. So tell me when to stop.
Here, I gave her a nice back.
Thanks. Okay guys, now I stop. Okay. That's just put it right there. I need it. But we're actually gonna need this slime too. Just any color slime. Because I got this slime for my bed. So I figured, why don't I use it? So I can get it out. 1 second, guys. Gotta get the slime out. Okay, guys, so the slime is out. It's green. Like dark green for me. Actually, it's light green. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so. Wrong way. I put too much in again. 1 second. Okay, guys. So that's good. So I got it all gone. Let me get up. But it's because it, look at that good slime. Look at that good slime.
Because he knows all about you and about that room you're working on too. They're so powerful. Why is he hiding it? Why doesn't he reveal himself? See, that's why I'm here. He wants to reveal himself. Come on, Granny, what? You're dying, right? Or is the big, powerful Cromwell witch afraid? I don't fear him or anything. Take me to him.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Just getting some around it. Okay, so you're gonna want to put. Oh, Kitty, you are back. Okay, so you're gonna want to just make sure you have enough in there.